50 hours. I had to figure out how can I really build 5,000 sensors. Which city can do this? Here we are. Finally, after 4 hours flight, we have landed at Shenzhen Baoshan Airport. And in the next 2 hours, and to find the taxi, which can take me to another city nearby. It's called Dongguan. Yes, we all know that Shenzhen is the center of supply chain in China. But the supply chain comes from all the smaller cities around it. And our first stop is to go to visit this 3D printing house. They promised me that they can finish 5,000 3D printing sets for my sensor within 24 hours. Time to find out. This is Donghui Software Industry Park. The 3D printing farm will be at level 9. I will expect at least 200, 300 printers together all in one room. That's a tree. That's a D. It's a 3D printing. I believe I'm in the right place, right? So what happened? So where's the farm? Exactly where? Wow. Very good. Okay. Okay, so each printer is printing 4 sets. So it's a 6 group of A1 and 1 group of P1s. In total, it's about 150 sets print at the same time. So every day you can print about 12 times 150, which is about 2,000 sets one day. Oh, that's amazing. Yeah. It's lucky that I've been working directly with the founder. And apparently this is also new business to him. He always look at the option to improve the printing quality and speed, respond and solve it within 1 or 2 hours. And now his latest sample is on the way to the factory. 板子都差不多做出来了。
对，都已经做好了。然后现在我刚刚一直在调试那这个就是麦克的灯会。
哦。Alright, now you look at the collection of completed PCB board of Echo. So in each main board, it has been assembled with 6 separate PCB boards. Each one eventually will be fit in to the Echo sensor. So in total, I built the whole 5,000 sensor boards within just 12 hours. Yeah, including the printing, the inspection, and the inspection handles checking the quality of the sorting point. Then to the last step, which is to burn the firmware onto the board. Then we're able to deliver and finally assemble this into the Echo sensor. Alright, here we are. This is Huaqiangbei, the center of electronics innovation of China. I think if to anywhere that in the world can help you to find all components needed for building a sensor, this is the place. The battery price I get from this building, it is $4 for 1 little battery, which is already extremely cheap. And here, they charge me $2.50, 50 cents in dollar. We just literally 100 meters away. Stop. Just because here they have a lot more suppliers.
1000个是吗
1000个对。
2块钱。
2块钱哦，要做多久能做好
3、4天吧。
I've done locking the deal for provide lithium battery. Surprisingly, the lithium battery here, the price is only 1/3 of the price I get from Alibaba. But for people who know Alibaba, you know that's one of the most cost-effective online platforms that you can find all around the world. And to find a cheap component like the batteries. But however, can you imagine the here price is even way lower? How do you do that? 这个好，哇，这个真的是很好。
这个线不够断啊，不够有点点摩擦没关系啊。
这个没关系。
这个是真的很好。
都是比较说后面滑几个的。
那个盖子可以拿个扫瓶子呢，拿扫瓶装的话，你们就需要伸手啊。
Through the past 50 hours trip in Dongguan, I witnessed lots of amazing people, especially the suppliers. Everyone trying to figure out how to fulfill what do I need to do, and the activity sourcing, negotiating, and improving. Alright, now I'm finally on my way back to Singapore. Currently I'm at the Shenzhen airport. It's 5 a.m. in the morning. You can see the airport is already very crowded. This is just a glance of impression of China. In the past 2 days, I've been seeing a lot of great people. They have been always committed and actively pursuing their vision. And I think that's exactly the reason why we make China's whole manufacturing ecosystem so hard to be replicated. Because every system, as long as it's built, is aimed to build in an excellent way and actively evolving and try to make everything as precise as possible. Let's take example of this. Let's just go closer. You can see they're giving us such a precise instruction. We have 38 minutes to check in before the counter closes. I believe in most of the countries, the number is about 60 or 90. I think that's probably the result of good data governance. As long as you have a massive data and understand user behavior, you can try to give them most convenient results and still keep everything under control. I believe that's the secret of how China's system has been so successful. It eventually give us great advantage and when we are working on the product solution in China. Do find the time in your life to come to China to visit this great city and find something to do. And I'm pretty sure that you'll be open-minded.